Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view TikTok watch history. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application. Actually, it doesn't matter if you have Android or iPhone device, the steps are the same. And then at the bottom right, click on Profile button. Then you will see your profile, and then at the top right, click on the three lines button. Here it is. And then the last option, Settings and Privacy. Then you need to scroll down this list of options and find Activity Center button. Here it is. And then click on the first one option, Watch History. And then you will see all your watched videos. You can actually click on the Filter by Date button at the top left corner and choose specific date. For example, yesterday, last week, last month, or date range. And then choose the date in this window, for example like this, and then Confirm button and apply at the top right. And then you will see all videos you have watched in this date. And that's all, and that's how to view TikTok watch history. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.